Welcome back, it's Budgie the one here. Did you miss me? Do I look different? If so, that's because I'm a clone, yeah, and I came from Area 51. So what? So today's video I will be doing is requested by one of my Instagram followers. I cannot talk today, so if I mess up, that's just gonna be what it is. It's gonna be a rough draft, and it's gonna be a hard edit on here. So yeah. So one of my Instagram followers suggested me to post pictures of the parents and of the babies that the parents came from, if that makes sense. So pictures of the parents and the babies. So that's what I'm going to be doing, but in a video. So I would, for one, not always thinking that if you have two of the same parents like what I have, that you're going to get the same results, but most of the time you will, but you might get like some slight different results, okay? Because who knows what your parents might be mixed with. So yeah, but this is gonna be, majority of the time it does work. So yeah, so without further ado, like, comment, and subscribe, and I hope you guys like this video, and I'm just gonna go ahead and go to the video because apparently I talk too much. Okay guys, so I was gonna delete the audio off of this, but after listening to it, it just goes hand in hand. So I'm just gonna keep the audio, and again, this is an old clip, so yeah. Okay guys, up first we have Ernie and Cotton. As you guys know, they were raising Maple's chick, which was the clear wing. The clear wing actually fledged and went to its new home. So he's now gone, but I don't think I've told you guys that during the foster process, because she was fostering the chick, one of her eggs actually happened to come up fertile again, because when I preserve her eggs so they won't get fertile, I put them in the freezer so that they can die off in the egg before the heart starts beating. But little guy back there, his heart started beating again, and after their heart started beating, I don't do anything. I just let nature take its course, and that one happened to survive. So that's Cotton and Ernie's actual chick right there. He has Ernie's green color, but Cotton's opaline gene. So yeah. Okay, speaking of Maple and Mumble, those two are. That's Mumble right here, and that's Maple up top, which is drinking some water, so that she so that she has enough water to feed her babies. Okay, that's it for this video. If you guys want to see part 2, then comment down below. I'm editing right now and I don't feel like typing that in, so I just figured I'd say it. But yeah, that's why I look